Here's a quick Blender tip. By default, if you zoom in, it just zooms to the center of the scene. Even if I hover my mouse cursor here, on this right cube, if I zoom in, it still zooms into the center. Or the same happens when I hover my mouse here on the left, and it just zooms into the center of the scene. To change this, go to Edit, Preferences, and here we go to Navigation, and we tick Zoom to Mouse Position. And now we can close this window. And now the zoom will take in consideration where my mouse cursor is positioned. If my mouse cursor is here in the center of the scene, the zoom still behaves like before. But now, if I move my mouse cursor here on the right cube, for example, and now if I zoom in, it zooms into that position. And the same thing here on the left. That's it. Thank you for watching.